safeguarding your safety and needs. A leading brand in the LPG tank industry, Pucheng Yongnuo Technology Industry Co., Ltd. We integrate R&D, production, and sales. In R&D, our senior expert team focuses on innovation, overcoming technical challenges. Toroidal LPG tanks and cylindrical LPG tanks lead the industry in key performance indicators like pressure resistance and sealing, making them safer and more durable. For production, we operate a modern production base with advanced automated lines, boasting a strong annual output. We strictly adhere to international quality management standards, with rigorous quality checks from raw materials to final shipment, ensuring every product meets high-quality standards. Our LPG tanks use high-strength steel, guaranteeing safety and reliability. Our sales network covers the whole country and extends overseas, having established stable partnerships with many well-known companies. Customer-centric, we provide comprehensive services and personalized solutions, earning high trust. Pucheng Yongnuo Technology is committed to crafting every product with care.